Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, there's nothing that tickles the fancy more than a salubrious, salacious scandal. The high and mighty caught with their pants down, this time literally. As guys, I bring you this: President Buhari's appointee Willie Amadi caught in SEX scandal tape. So yes, Mallam Buhari's body from the eastern quarters has done as they always do. Just for the weekend, they gather all these young females for their pleasure, but alas, this guy literally has been caught with his pants down in the videotape. So again, the headline: President Buhari's appointee Willie Amadi caught in SEX scandal tape. So now let's delight in this. A leaked videotape has allegedly shown an appointee of President Muhammadu Buhari, Chief Willie Amadi, in a room with two girls making out. In the video, which was seen by correspondents, Amadi, a lawyer and Federal Commissioner, Imo State Office of Public Complaints Commission, was seen videoing himself in the 12-second SEX tape, which captured his image and those of the girls in amorous SEX positions. Sources told correspondents that the video first leaked on WhatsApp before it was later uploaded on YouTube last Saturday. However, a search on Tuesday morning showed that YouTube had removed the video for having violated its terms of service. Calls put across to Amadi were not answered, and a text message sent to him was also not replied. So Mallam Buhari's Igbo friend, his body from the eastern quarters, is doing as they all do. You can see the image there, so you can extrapolate and project. There's enough there for you to draw conclusions on what actually transpired. But there you have it. The looting is not enough. They are now taking advantage, and of course the looting is always to take advantage of the vulnerable. So if you look at a man of this guy's age, we're talking late 50s, early 60s, thereabout. That's what he looks to me. He may well be younger or older, but that is what he looks to me. So, and they are talking about young females. So young females, of course, are not naturally gravitated towards a man of this age, except of course there's some sort of like a inducement of a financial type, as they make space, make way for that sort of like a coming together. So it's been lubricated by money, of course, is what I am saying, but that is not something especially new. All manners of people lubricate relationship in one sort of like a quid pro quo or the other. But really the joke is on this guy who in his foolishness has gone on to record his amorous encounters with these young girls, and of course that has now found its way onto our social media to live there forever. Conversations in the comment section. This is what they all always do, but alas, this one was foolish enough to record himself doing it. It's not even the girls now that recorded him and leaked it or tried to use it to so I can twist his arm to get money out of him. He actually did the recording, and by the act of foolishness that inspired that recording, it has then, through further foolishness, found its way onto the social media space. Come share thoughts about all this with me in the comment section, but before you come share those thoughts, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because that of course helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done all the clickings, they all do it, but this guy has recorded himself doing it, so let's all point and laugh at him. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.